Welcome to my channel. Today I will reveal a miracle that will destroy diabetes, bad cholesterol, and fat belly. So please watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. For thousands of years, people have used this leaf to treat diabetes, high blood pressure, and obesity. Do you sometimes feel weak and tired without any reason? Are you easily irritated by everything? Are you always nervous? If you answered yes to one or more of these questions, then listen to me carefully. This remedy is a leaf known as the miracle leaf. It also has antioxidant properties that help fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are associated with various diseases, including diabetes. To use this leaf to prevent or treat diabetes, it is recommended to consume it in infusion or capsule form. High levels of bad cholesterol or LDL in the body can lead to the formation of plaque in the arteries, which can block the flow of blood and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. But this leaf contains compounds that help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, preventing the formation of plaque in the arteries and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Not only that, but this leaf also helps to increase levels of good cholesterol, HDL, which helps remove bad cholesterol from the bloodstream. One of the best ways to consume this leaf is to make an infusion with it. This leaf has a unique flavor and aroma that will give your dishes a special touch. You can add fresh or dried leaf to your salads, soups, or stews. It is also important that you maintain a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated and trans fats. Doing regular physical activity is also very important. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. To do this, simply steep 1 tablespoon of dried leaf in 1 cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. This will help you know if the measures you are taking are effective or if you need to make adjustments. With these tips, you will be able to take full advantage of the benefits of this miracle leaf. Remember that consistency is key when using natural remedies. Be patient and persistent, and you will see results over time. Take care and see you next time. You can add a little honey to sweeten it if you like. Drink 1 or 2 cups of this infusion daily to enjoy its benefits. You can also consume this leaf in capsule form. This is a very easy and convenient way to take the leaf. You can find capsules of this leaf in some health food stores or online. Take 2 or 3 capsules a day, preferably after meals. To get the full benefits of this leaf for cholesterol control, it is recommended to consume it regularly in infusion or capsule form. In addition, it is important to maintain a healthy diet and do regular physical activity to achieve optimal results. As an infusion, it is recommended to steep 1 tablespoon of dried leaves in 1 cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Obesity is a major risk factor for many diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. This leaf contains compounds that help boost the metabolism and burn fat, making it an ideal ally for those who want to lose weight. Also, this leaf has a property that reduces appetite, so you will feel less hungry and avoid unnecessary snacks. To lose weight, it is recommended to consume this leaf in infusion or capsule form. You can also add this leaf to your meals to give it a unique flavor and aroma. Remember that this leaf is a natural remedy and is not a substitute for a healthy diet and regular exercise. Then strain the liquid and drink it. You can add a little honey to sweeten it if desired. It is very effective for preventing and treating diabetes, fighting bad cholesterol, and helping with weight loss. But that's not all. This leaf also has other benefits for health. It is important to point out that this leaf should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment, but as a complementary therapy. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using this or any other natural remedy. The leaf of miracles is a gift of nature that can help us improve our health in many ways. Take advantage of its benefits and live a healthier life. Regarding the dose of the infusion, it is recommended to consume 1 or 2 cups per day. If you prefer to consume it in capsule form, you can buy them ready-made in some health food stores or online. The recommended dose is to take 2 or 3 capsules a day, preferably after meals. This leaf is very bitter, but its benefits are enormous because it lowers blood sugar, fights against diabetes, and helps you lose weight. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating this leaf into your diet, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication. Also, this leaf is very bitter, so it may not be appealing to everyone's taste buds. However, the benefits it provides for diabetes prevention and treatment make it a worthwhile option to consider incorporating into your diet. Give it a try and discover the amazing benefits of this miraculous leaf. Your health will thank you. But how does this leaf work? What makes it so special? The answer lies in its chemical composition. This leaf contains compounds such as alkaloids, flavonoids, and saponins, which have been shown to have a hypoglycemic effect, meaning they can lower blood sugar levels. These compounds help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. If you continue like this, you may suffer from a serious disease called diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition that occurs when the body cannot regulate the amount of sugar in the blood properly. This happens due to a problem with the hormone insulin, which controls the amount of sugar in the blood. People with diabetes have high blood sugar levels because their body either does not produce enough insulin or cannot use it effectively. Over time, high blood sugar levels can damage the body's organs, especially the eyes, kidneys, nerves, and the heart. That's why it's important to take care of our health and control our blood sugar levels to prevent complications caused by diabetes. This leaf is very bitter, but its benefits are enormous because it lowers your blood sugar, fights diabetes, and helps you lose weight. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, over 463 million people have diabetes, and most do not even know they have the disease. But the good news is that diabetes can be prevented and controlled with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and monitoring of blood sugar levels. We must be aware of the risk factors for diabetes, such as obesity, family history of the disease, and a sedentary lifestyle. By making simple changes to our diet and lifestyle, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing diabetes and keep our blood sugar levels under control. This leaf also has another powerful effect. It lowers cholesterol levels. In fact, it destroys all bad cholesterol in your body in a short time. So if you want to be completely free of heart disease, then use this leaf regularly. Also, this leaf strengthens your immune system. It clears out all toxins from your liver and kidneys, and makes your skin healthier and younger. The best part is that you can use this leaf anywhere in the world. You can put it in tea, in capsules, or you can chew it fresh. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you often feel tired? Are you full of energy? Today, millions of people around the world suffer from diabetes, and many do not even know it. Now, did you know that there is a natural remedy that can help prevent and treat diabetes? But the benefits of this leaf don't stop there. It's important to note that while this leaf is a great natural remedy for diabetes, it should not be used as a substitute for the treatment prescribed by a doctor. Now, did you know that this leaf also helps to destroy bad cholesterol? Yes, this leaf is also very effective in lowering cholesterol levels. And what about weight loss? This leaf is also very effective in helping you lose weight. In conclusion, the miracle leaf is a natural remedy with multiple benefits for health. Now I'm going to reveal some bonus tips that will help you enhance the benefits of this miracle leaf. Another way to consume this leaf is to add it directly to your meals. Finally, it is essential that you monitor your blood sugar levels, cholesterol, and weight regularly.